Hello and welcome to this video on the importance of seeking professional financial advice. In today's world, there are many options for investing your money and building your wealth. But with so many choices, it can be difficult to know what steps to take and what decisions to make. That's why it's important to consider working with a professional financial advisor who can help guide you through the process. Through their years of experience and education in the field, we can stand on the shoulders of giants to free up our own time and pursue what we desire with that extra freedom. Of course, our channel will also help you be better educated in that discussion, so be sure to drop us a like on this video and subscribe to receive our future content. The first step in seeking professional financial advice is to understand your financial goals. Do you want to save for retirement, pay off debt, or build wealth for future generations? A financial advisor can help you prioritize your goals and develop a customized financial plan that considers your unique needs and circumstances. Another important factor to consider when seeking financial advice is your risk tolerance. This refers to how comfortable you are with taking financial risks to achieve a higher return on your investment or greater portfolio stability. A financial advisor can help you determine your risk tolerance and recommend investment strategies that align with your goals with where you are in life. A third benefit of working with a financial advisor is their ability to help you diversify your investment portfolio. Diversification is a key aspect of investing that helps spread out your risk and increase the likelihood of achieving your financial goals. A financial advisor can help you build a diversified portfolio that includes a mix of stocks, bonds, and other assets, so you can weather market fluctuations and achieve your long-term goals. Finally, a financial advisor can help you stay up to date with market trends and changes. The financial market is constantly evolving, and new investment opportunities are emerging all the time. A financial advisor can help you stay informed and make informed investment decisions, so you can continue to build your wealth over time. In conclusion, seeking professional advice is an important step in building and maintaining your wealth. By working with a financial advisor, you can gain a deeper understanding of your financial goals, assess your risk tolerance, diversify your portfolio, and stay informed about market trends and changes. So take the time to find a financial advisor who is a good fit for you and start planning for your financial future today. Thanks for watching this video on the importance of seeking professional financial advice. We hope you found it informative and helpful. For more videos on personal finance and investing, be sure to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more great content. Smiles are contagious and release happy endorphins, so be sure to share them, especially with yourself. Till next time.